I ride a mountain unicycle around town.
What's the difference between that and a regular unicycle?
So it's got very large studded tires that can get a little better purchase on the ground and on the snow. It's snowing. It's pretty rough and blowy out here. Not too bad, but get a little storm.
Well, the driving has been pretty slick, and the brick sidewalks can be pretty slippery. And as long as you just take it easy, it's not too bad.
I better get royalties.
I wanted to get out before the really bad ice started. Since we haven't had many days to ski yet this year, I figured I should take advantage of the little time I had before it gets too nasty. But it's already pretty nasty. Just gotta do what you gotta do.